So let's talk about one of South Africa's most famous words. I mean, they teach this word to people overseas when they go to places. They teach this word to tourists when they come to our game parks in South Africa, Kruger National Park and the Umfolozi and different places. When people come here, this is a very important word that South Africans love teaching other people, but it's also a powerful weapon to use when you feel threatened and you want to chase that which is endangering your life away from you, and that is the word voetsek. So this word voetsek, it's actually spelled differently in isiZulu. People spell it in isiZulu F-U-S-E-G, but yeah, voetsek, F-U-S-E-G. The other spelling is F-O-E-T-S-E-K. Did you get that? F-O-E-T-S-E-K, voetsek. So let's talk about this very famous South African word. Did you see that one incident? It was on the internet where an elephant charged this one man, and you just hear this other guy shouting, voetsek! And that word, it seems, protected him because the elephant made a turn and it went in another direction. Very powerful word, it seems, for dogs. Anything threatening you. People even use it when they want to chase other people away, which of course is debatable. So talking about this word, where does it come from? And where did we learn this word from? So this might be the first time that you hear what the derivation of this very famous South African word is. I think it's used in all 11 languages. Even those who have English as mother tongue in South Africa use it. In isiZulu I've heard it in Setswana, in Afrikaans, and just everywhere. People are exporting this word to other nations and countries in the world. Australia, Canada, Europe, everywhere. People know, listen, hey, mawusenkingeni, hey, uyasongelwa umonye, hey, likhiphe lelo, hey, libize, ligagule lelo, elithi voetsek, khona uzophepha. So, coming to the derivation of this word, voetsek, its derivation is Afrikaans. It comes from the Afrikaans language, and let me tell you something interesting about this word, voetsek. It's actually not one word. I'm talking about the original way that it was pronounced and what it originally means. So I'm explaining that to you now. The word, this one word, we use it now as one word, okay? But originally it is actually three words. Three, okay? So move with me now. The first word is voort. Voort. I'll give you the translation in a moment. Voort. Second one is sê, sê. And the last one is ek, ek. Okay, so let's do the three word. Voort. What does that mean? The word voort means, in isiZulu, phambili, to the front. Voort, to the front. Okay, to the front. But this is Afrikaans. Voort. Okay. Sê, the meaning of the word sê, the Afrikaans word sê is to say something. To say something. So we have voort, sê, and the last one, ek, is the word me. Me. So if we put all these three together, the meaning is voort, sê, ek. So you speak to this thing that is endangering your life and you tell it, phambili ngithi mina, phambili ngithi mina. That's the literal translation. Fourth, in English, say I. Fourth, say I. Voort, say ek. And that's why Afrikaner men sometimes, okay, my dad, sometimes when he used this word, voetsek, he would add the original R, in this first word, voort, okay? The R is what we call in linguistic terms is now elided. It is not pronounced by most people. They just say voetsek. So the R is not used. But my dad sometimes, he would still use it. If some dog or something would come and bite the children or, you know, try to attack him or something, he would go, voetsek, which gives it more strength in the Afrikaans language, more power. Yes, and so that's the meaning of the word. Phambili ngithi mina, that's the translation. Forth say I, voort say ek. But just in general Afrikaans, we use it in the very simple way. Voetsek.